Welcome back to the fourth episode of the Baltic Coastal Hike, where we are attempting to hike the coastline of all three Baltic countries. We began our journey at the Estonian-Russian border, and we've now made it all the way to the lovely town of Vergi, covering a total of 165 kilometers over 11 days of hiking. It's been a mix of wild adventures and calm episodes, so if you're new here, make sure to check those out.
For our Straight Line Mission fans, the first episode of Estonia is coming out very soon. We had to get this coastal hike episode out of the way first, but we can give you this little teaser to thank you for your patience. This coastal hike episode covers 3 hiking days. The first is a full day, where we have the luxury of starting from Vergi and aiming to reach Võsu. The second day is a shorter day because, well, we have jobs and sometimes you just have to squeeze your adventures into the calendar. And the third day is luckily another full day. Oh, and yes, it's winter again.
Kas pead paksamad kindad võtma?
Mul on paksad kindad. Okay.
Hello. It's really cold. Windy today.
And it's cold. It's like my nose kind of wants to abandon my face right now.
But it's sunny now and we will see how far we reach today because we don't really know where we are going to end our hike today.
It's starting off so well. It's so windy. Let's go.
You want some fruit? I don't have fruit.
After discovering a disappointingly empty fruit box, we followed the coastline. Fun fact, we've actually found fruit washed ashore before. This part was a bit more difficult to navigate, so we had to keep checking the map to avoid trouble in the freezing temperatures. Also, we were starting to worry that we didn't bring enough tissues.
It is dying to stuffy nose. There's a nice little bridge. We can cross this little stream, I guess.
Oh yeah, that would be trouble, but this seaside looks kind of shitty. Oh no, actually, can we follow like the pine trees there?
Yeah, maybe.
If we go there...
Then let's go back, because here, road is really far.
Okay, let's go. Decided. We didn't even cry. Once we left the windy shore, the hike became quite enjoyable. The sun was out and the ground was nice and crispy. We locked in on the GPS to find the most optimal route and headed toward the main road. Luckily, the small seaside villages are always a joy to pass through.
Oh, mis that? It is going on the rock.
Woo! I'm first.
You take the easy rocks. Rock number...
I don't know. If we walk smart.
Bus station here.
Doesn't smell like pee, so it's good. People don't do it nowadays anymore. We don't have time. Let's go. Yeah. The road led us to the village of Pedassaare, where supposedly the oldest pine tree in Estonia is located, and we were determined to find it.
We'll go around here. Okay. Really stylish.
Yeah, it's like a cool art style.
Look at all the nests. Like the tree is like sick and we are like, oh, look at that! So cool!
So cool.
I'm sick, you f***s! Help me!
I can't. Every time I say something like that, there's like a movie going on in my head. Like, I just see it.
A beautiful path took us to the top of the peninsula, and after spotting the fluffiest spruce, we were almost back on the beach.
You can't throw trash on the ground?
Why not? We started from there.
Yes.
We skipped that part there.
I hope he's having fun.
Yeah.
Are you having any fun?
It felt great to be walking on soft ground again and exploring, or more like disturbing nature is what DT usually does. This time her victims were some very sleepy ants.
waking up? Oh yeah, they are. Wait. This is mandatory when it's spring and the ants have woken up.
Don't disturb them.
You can collect ant pee, but they're so like slow right now.
Don't do it then. Let them be.
Can you see that? Come
Don't
now.
disturb them, Iti.
I am not doing any harm. I want them to extract their juices on my stick. When spring came, so you could like collect this. We called it ant pee, but it's not really ant pee. You could like put a straw in their net. They would give off this like sour juice, and then you would like lick it. Wow, that was sour.
Pungent.
We've got a little something to show you. During these hikes, it's cool to look back and see how far you've come. And it's even more important to look ahead and see what's waiting. So we were thrilled when a company that sells optical gear reached out with an offer to test their binoculars. They have Latvian and Estonian websites, so definitely check them out. We had a blast using the binoculars, so much so that Tom now keeps forgetting to hike and just stares into the distance. If you want to observe the horizon or birds or, whatever, check the video description for discount codes. These binoculars are pretty cool. It's there's some birds flying. It's pretty cool to look where you came from and where you're going. So, yeah, thank you, Tenniscoats, for that. He got like so into looking at things, he's not even paying attention.
We continued and found a massive boulder, number 21 on our journey.
I'm gonna climb it.
You're gonna climb it.
You're gonna come with me?
I try.
Iti had to build a little stone platform to climb up.
It is rearranging rocks.
Work smarter, not harder.
Good job.
Yeah! Can we do a dance here?
We discovered that this rock was danceable, so we danced. Don't worry, this isn't our first rodeo. We are professionals. Next, we resumed the mission to find Estonia's oldest pine. It wasn't easy.
Is it you or is it you? Tell me. Which one of you?
Some trees had already gone to pine heaven, others were well on their way, and some were clearly campaigning for the title. The location on the map was vague, and while we are not 100% sure we found the oldest, we did find one of the biggest. Naturally, a tree hug was mandatory.
Going back the same way we came because the shore on the right is a bit reedy. We don't want to go there. And we need to find a less windier place to have lunch as well. So anymore.
Oh yeah, that's a cool
That's
fence.
a cool fence. They are like rare.
Kuigi vesi on nii madal praegu, et vaatame, vist oleks saanud tulla.
This stretch of Estonia's coastline really messes with us. We zigzag back and forth so much that the actual progress feels slow. We started looking for a lunch spot and stumbled upon an adder warming up in the sun. Tom had just thought that this place looked like a great lunch spot, warm, wind-free, but that little guy changed our minds real quick. I am not really feeling like I would like to stay here.
Yeah, let's go up then.
We found an adder-free spot and enjoyed a nice hot meal thanks to Food Force. Tom had beef stew with potatoes and I went for chicken pasta.
Okay, we
Would love to take a nap.
but we just finished our lunch and the time is 40 minutes past 2. We have about 3 hours of daylight remaining. We would like to reach Võsu, but we'll see how it goes.
Fueled up, if a bit chilly after sitting down, we moved on and found a bird watching tower we could actually climb.
Yeah. Pilsei viewing. Oh!
Yep, you hit your knees. I'm sorry. I wanted to warn you, but you have to be careful.
Okay, I'm not gonna film here because
you have to be careful.
I need to concentrate on climbing. See you later.
It's like swaying. But
that's cool.
That is very cool. We could have had lunch here. It would have been so nice and warm.
Okay, your legs. Oh. Legs are a bit weak here.
Are they? Oh, yeah.
The binoculars came in handy again. We spotted a bunch of massive tankers out at the sea, which was pretty cool, but the sun was starting to drop and we wanted to check out Älvi Island, which was accessible thanks to the low water levels.
Water levels are low enough that we should be able to go onto this island. Vaata kui kõrge see saar on seal.
Jah, on küll. The island had a lovely little hill and a cute patch of forest. Nothing too dramatic, but a sweet slice of land.
Maybe we go straight here.
Yes, of course.
If it was still winter, we can go over ice.
Yeah, I think it wasn't frozen.
Can we see Võsu from here? No? Is it like behind the next peninsula?
I think so.
Oh yeah, we have to walk on the road a bit, because there you can see the reeds are starting.
It is a shitty shoreline, but that's a really nice place. At the far end we discovered a huge metal barrel, which of course we had to conquer.
Yeah.
There was also a giant hole in the middle. If you know what it was used for, leave a comment. We're still a bit confused. Does somebody know what it is?
What it is?
Can you tell us what it is? We're very confused.
Okay.
After absolutely sticking the landing and joking around a bit, we pushed onward and used the binoculars again to scan for feathered friends.
Oh no, I thought it's gonna hold me. Let me look at the glass maybe. Who are you? Some type of kisses. Now look.
Yes. Would make a nice dinner.
Yeah.
Do we head for the road? Yes.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, then we can like pick up the pace and maybe make it to Võsu as well.
We found a nice forest road.
Yes. We followed the road south, then looped back north. Eventually we reached the village of Lahe, which, fun fact, means cool in Estonian. So yeah, if you want to live in a cool place, now you know. Spent a lot of time walking.
And we will continue walking.
On the roads. Very slippery is Lahe. It's like an endless peninsula. There was a dead-end sign like 10 kilometers ago.
Yep.
The road led us to the tip of the peninsula, which felt endless, especially knowing we'd have to hike it all the way back as well. Not much was happening, but the pine forest made up for it. It's one of our favorite hiking environments.
That is beautiful.
That is beautiful.
That is beautiful.
Luckily, the weather had warmed up and the wind had died down, so the walk by the sea was truly enjoyable.
It's a lovely forest. I think there's a lot of blueberries. Tom is changing clothes for the 4th time this day.
No, shut up.
Hooliks sooviks praegu appi
Some trees.
kui kord sinutama olen olnud oma jagu. On igaühel oma moodi paar poodi lähedal. On igaühel oma moodi.
We have been walking for so long.
wafer filled with vanilla cream, extra filling, gym. Wafer chocoladum.
Oh, okay.
Moi chai.
We investigated some litter, passed a few homesteads and abandoned buildings and a ride in Võsu just before sunset. We'd love to return another time, but then with bicycles.
We made it out of the forest into the civilization.
At last.
At last. Port of Võsu.
Harbor, I guess.
Sun is going down, but we are not going down.
In the morning the weather was awful, but it turned out to be a really lovely day.
Yes. Good thing we reached Võsu when we did, because we still had to hitchhike back to our car. And we prefer doing that while it's still light outside. So, here we are.
Oh,
In
here we
Võsu,
are.
and we will
Finish here today. We will come back in a later date and let's do like a jump and oh.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, we're back.
Here we go again.
Here we go again.
Today we're gonna walk 8 kilometers from Võsu to Käsmu. Let's go.
You are correct. This time it's a 2-hay hike. 2-hay. This time hey, 2-hay. This time it's a 2-day hike. We will end our first day in Käsmu and then tomorrow we will see how far we reach. It's the end of March right now.
The snow is gone.
In 1 week we will embark on a great journey. We will start with our straight line mission across Estonia.
Another day, another hike. And since this is our final hike before our straight line mission across Estonia, we're doing a last test of our gear to make sure everything works. I'm not scared at all. It's not scary.
It is not scary at all.
The straight line mission is gonna be like peeing in snow. It's nothing.
Today the plan is to use the rest of the daylight to go from Võsu to Käsmu, a short trek before tomorrow's full-day adventure. Võsu is a summer paradise that comes alive when the season hits. But right now, in early spring, it's pretty quiet. Iti had her heart set on some ice cream, so we made a mental note to get some in the nearby store.
But we are gonna get some ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream.
We left the coast, passed the bus station and enjoyed the stillness of Võsu. Oh, fire truck. It's ours. Very tasty. I like those. It was so hot in the shop.
It was so hot.
We were like instantly sweating. We found a new trail by the roadside and enjoyed the perfect hiking temperatures. The pedestrian path helped us keep up a good pace, and even though the sun was getting low, our spirits were sky high. Tom is taking a toilet break. I can annoy you now and say that these pines are very straight. They are very straight. If you have any ideas how we would survive the straight line mission across Estonia, don't let me know. I don't want to know. Yeah, but as you can see, on the right we have a no-no land.
No land, wasteland. It's
And it's all the way to Võsu, I
yep.
think. Like,
we should make a movie instead of La La Land. It's no land.
we also met a true Estonian, which was a bit unfortunate for Thomas, who transforms from introvert to extreme extrovert when hiking.
I wanted to say hello to this lady, but she like turned away. She was not watching
Usually,
us at all.
like Tom is not that social in like real life,
Yeah.
but I don't know what happens during hiking.
I'm like, hi!
He's like ready to jump on everybody. He's like, what's the dog? A retriever.
Retriever.
Boat
Oh yeah,
shaped.
it's like a boat. That is cool. That is really cool. Wow! That is so cool. It's like a boat.
Do you know what would be cooler?
You? here.
A bonfire.
Bonfire right in the middle. Iti, let's camp here.
After a short break at the scenic viewing platform, it didn't take long to reach Käsmu, our next camping spot. Even though daylight was fading fast, we wanted to enjoy Käsmu as much as possible.
Turn it.
You can turn it.
All aboard!
There's so much traffic now. Right when we reached Käsmu,
we're in town, so
we're town.
Celebrities are in town. We are now going here.
We were there in the morning, right? We're gonna put things up in the dark. Oh no, actually we have army tech lamp for that.
Yep.
Kind of turns the night into a day. I love these fishing boats.
Yeah.
They're so
the
nice.
last one has been made into a Airbnb.
Oh yeah?
I bet.
I bet. That is a huge...
That's a cool...
Huge boulder.
Really cool shape.
It is.
We checked out the port and climbed a big rock which had a very convenient ladder. I think it would not have been otherwise climbable. After enjoying the view for a moment, we headed for our campsite.
Let's carry on.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
We have places to be.
Technically, wild camping isn't allowed in Lahemaa National Park, but we had special permission to set up at local gathering space, Külaplats, on the condition that we wouldn't make a fire. We set up camp in the dark. Thanks Armitech for their reliable headlamps, and scarfed down some food for meals before crashing in our sleeping bags.
Anyway, I think we will see you in the morning because it's really dark. So, good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. How was your night, Iti?
I wouldn't say it was my like the bestest night. The best it wasn't, but it was decent. How was yours?
Good.
You liar.
I didn't sleep very well today. I don't know. I was a bit cold and I was afraid of bears and there was some weird bugs crawling on my face and the mattress was too hard.
Like the problems took shifts in keeping you up all night.
Yep.
It was a little bit problematic for Tom.
But right now we're making breakfast.
And the weather is
splendid.
Fucking lovely.
Lovely.
Splendid.
Yeah, our night was not the best, but the morning was awesome. The weather was nice and warm and we had a village wing nearby, which Estonians have used for a long time to promote natural selection and traumatize foreigners. Nowadays, we've started paying more attention to safety, but I remember days when half of the village climbed on. The swing usually went really high and after a couple of drinks, people started falling off. The key was to stay low and wait for the right moment to run, but some folks rose up right away and got hit by the swing that kept going. Kinda impossible to make an emergency stop with those. So throughout the night, people fell off one by one. Some required medical attention, but whatever happened, others still kept going.
After that accidental workout, we headed towards Devil's Island, which sadly isn't named after a legendary horned creature. Russian soldiers just thought the original name Saart name sounded like Chort, devil in Russian, and the name stuck. This was our last chance to visit before seasonal closure kicked in the next day. Fortunately, water levels were still low and we used overboots to cross a watery patch to get there.
Okay, let's try it too. Ah, it's slippery.
Hello Sven.
There's some Sven.
They're so big.
Nothing too dramatic, but still a cool little island to explore.
Ugh. Spiderweb.
Spiderweb. Spiderweb. Does whatever spiderwebs do.
I mean,
That's the island.
yeah, that was the island. It was a long way, but I think we will head back now.
Yeah, there's nothing much to see anymore.
Yep. they are like
Looks like they're dancing. It also looks like they're like washing themselves.
cleaning up.
We have to like search. Is
I'm
it
not
like,
sure what are they doing. Yeah.
I don't know, but it's like simultaneous, you know.
There.
There's a lizard. I don't know if you can
Oh,
see.
there.
There's a lizard. Bye, buddy.
Quite active.
Quite active, yes.
I think
it
he was quite warm in the sun.
has been so warm that they have warmed up.
It was a very swingy day, so many swings, we loved it. And the hiking trail that looped around the peninsula, absolutely stunning. What a place.
Do we have any ice cream shops coming up? I would like to have, this is a perfect weather for ice cream. My dream is to try wasabi ice cream.
Wasabi.
I haven't found one, but there definitely is one.
I'm sure it exists. Yeah. Found a little sandy beach here.
It's like private beach paradise. There's
Yeah.
an oasis over there, there's an oasis over here.
Yeah. And there's a newer boat here.
I love Estonia.
And it looks so nice
It looks
here.
so nice.
Ah, yeah.
It's really cool.
It's cool. Another swing.
Is
Third
it?
swing. But this
No
one is
way.
really low, so
It is low.
you can't really use it.
Why you
But
can't?
anyway, there's a third swing.
It's the best hiking trail ever.
Actually, I think the storms have brought sand here. That's
yeah.
why it's so low now.
No, but you know what you can do?
Stand on it.
Stand on it.
I would laugh so hard if it would break.
I am a pro swinger.
It's cool. Really cool.
It's very beautiful because there's a national park and the nature is very untouched because lazy and annoying people don't have the determination to come here and trash and blast loud music, so it has been preserved the way it is. Highly recommend. Step on it. Congratulations. This is the first time that we see these. This is the sign of spring, like officially.
Let me attach it to you. You're so cute.
Once again, we reached the top and yep, had to head back south.
Now we're heading back.
Not the same way, but
Not the same way, but on the other edge. And there are some big boulders in the forest. There's some in the sea as well, but they are quite unreachable and unclimbable. This one maybe is doable. Let's see if Tom finds a way. If he has a will, then he finds a way. Yay!
catch me.
No!
Sea monk.
Wow, there's like...
You want to
really
climb
cool.
it, or should I just go there and
Try to not disturb the moss.
hurt? Yeah.
They tend to get angry.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
No!
No, there's rock here. I was just joking with you. Got you. Okay.
You can stay there after that choke. Can you find a way? It's good that your wrist is fine now.
It's better,
You
yeah.
can do stupid things like that.
Yep.
If it's that big, there is no hope that Tom will leave it unclimbed.
All
Good
right.
job.
There's a ladybug up here.
Aww. I think that right now.
Oh, yeah. It is blinking.
Hooliks sooviks praegu hoopis vähem mõelda selle peal, kui kord sinutama olen olnud omajagu. On igaühel omamoodi paar poodi lähedal, on igaühel omamoodi. Keegi aknast alla vaatab, natkab pikem kavel.
Now it's sandy again, so we're gonna take advantage of that.
At last we are able to return to the beach where we belong.
I found a new way to entertain myself.
Yeah, what's that? Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's a yellow cloud. Ta-da!
But I think we should have a lunch here.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
This is nice.
Because
Is it 2 o'clock?
It's 1 o'clock, but I think it's fine to.
Yeah.
Do you want to see what the kind of view we have? Come and take a look. With this tree up here, it's magical, and I think it's the prettiest lunch so far.
Yeah.
We have had.
Definitely.
So here we are enjoying food and living the life.
Living the life.
Fueled by lunch, extrovert Tom re-emerged and decided to chat with everyone we met that day.
Aga selge, nautige ilma. We have the opportunity to search for fresh sea glass. Suspicious purple sand here. That's weird. Ooh, cool. Right now it is walking behind me, and the most embarrassing thing is if you miss a piece of sea glass. And it is like, I found it. How could you go past it?
The sandy beach was great for a while, but we knew it wouldn't last. Locals told us we'd have to go around quite a bit if we wanted dry feet, but detours didn't really feel that attractive anymore.
We have to go there, and instead of going around, we try to go straight because it looks like it's shallow here, which might be true. Yeah, we'll find out.
Oh no. Oh no, it's already too deep. Oh no, let's go back abort mission. I thought that was clever.
It didn't take long to realize that even our overboots wouldn't cut it. Still, we weren't ready to give up, so we switched to swimming shoes.
I can't. My legs are in. Shock. We ditched the overboots because they were like leaking and...
Imagine, I almost went swimming today.
Yeah. And we have so many more like gaps to go over. So it's like there should be shallow waters almost until, you know, the land over there. But we'll see. There is a sandy beach though over there.
Yeah, we can retreat there.
We can retreat there.
At least.
But it's gonna be cold. I'm just reminding you that it's March. It's March. It's the end of March, but it's still March. And we have to walk in the water for this whole time. Wait. Oh, there's a little... No, but soon there will be. Oh, it's very cold.
God.
This is not your brightest moment. I don't know how Rose survived Titanic.
Oh my God.
I feel like my legs are about to be amputated.
Oh my God. That was a dumb idea. My feet are hurting. Ouch. I think I got frostbite.
You feel something? I don't feel anything.
Oh my God. They're hurting so bad.
It is so. My legs are so numb.
Oh my God.
Oh, it looks like shitty water.
Let's put on socks now. Iti, let's put on socks. Don't laugh.
my legs were so done. Now it's fine.
Oh my god.
Surprisingly, that ice-cold adventure made our feet feel great. We continued along the rocky coast until the reeds took over and forced us inland.
Oh, check this out.
No. Oh, wow. That was crazy.
Yeah, because there it goes bad. Very marshy grounds. I would like to walk a rooster as well.
Cock walking.
I hope you're proud.
I am.
What we must say is that this cold water really like restarted our legs. We were like feeling a little bit like, tired. We have been walking quite a bit. And then now I feel like I haven't walked at all today. Like they just like reset to 0 kilometers.
Right now we're going to check out the beach here. And if it's fine, then I think we will leave it here. It's gonna be 1 month break for us. Here seems fine.
Whoever is watching, thank you very much. We appreciate it. If you want to show a little bit of support, you can like, comment and subscribe. That would be nice.
Yeah.
It's the easiest way to support us.
And if you want some extra stuff, then we have our Patreon ready for you, waiting for you. And
That's about it. Take care.
Take care.
And go hiking.
Yeah, see you in the next one.
Over the course of 2.5 days, we covered 49 kilometers. All in all, we have walked 214 kilometers over the course of 14 days.